Nagaland. And also not only that, ladies and gentlemen, one of the band which is also all the way from Nagaland, and that is Orange. And also the band from Nogam, and that is Obsolete, ladies and gentlemen. And the band is from local itself, and that is Optic Inertia. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on the stage, there's a 2020 aftermath, and this performance is brought to you by Hotels in Hassa. And also would like to let you know the sponsors for this particular event, Assam Branding Vikas Bank. We are very grateful to have here as a sponsorship for this event, and also RB Cafeteria, and also we have pleasure to have the partners like Ravenos, Meet and Eat Family.
So everyone, we are the 2020 Aftermath. We sort of believe that there's an improvement for every song, so we gave it another shot, and I'm pretty satisfied with this one. I hope you guys are feeling great. Come on, everyone, this is the first band. You can't be tired yet. Come on, are you guys feeling good? Great. This is our next song. It's our original, and it's called Last Summer. I hope you guys like this.
Okay, okay. You'll be waiting here. You'll be waiting here. Now you know that I'm here. Where have you gone? I should have known. It feels like not too long. Fading away. There's something
Thank you very much. Now for our final song, 2020 Aftermath has prepared something really special to be up here in all respected judges and so many talent and artists all coming together. This one is called Love.
So this song is called Love. Let's start. Love, an ocean with no motion. This action towards devotion. A tree without leaves trying to say to produce. We love, an ocean with no motion. This action towards devotion. A tree without leaves trying to say to produce. Yeah. We Without this, trying to say that you do.
I just want to have one final request. If everyone could just light up your screen phones. I always wanted to try this. Everyone, can you do that for me? I want to see how this looks like. There's so many people. If we could just light up the screen. Oh, wow. Wow, I see a lot. You guys are great. Thank you so much. If you guys can just sing this with us right now.
Love is all we need.
Come on, sing along with us.
Love is all we need.
Come on, people.